Cricut has released another desktop design space update in November 2021. I think it'll help make it easier for new Cricut crafters to use design space and be able to make things in time for the holidays. My name is Ruth, and this is Hank's Maker Mentor. When you first open Design Space after it updates, it'll bring up this What's New window. You can read the details, but I'm going to just jump into showing you the update in action. The feature that I'm only counting as a half a feature is Universal Search. They started rolling this out with the other November update, version 6.16. It'll now be available for everyone on desktop. If you want a lot of details about it, go ahead and check out my previous video that I'm linking above as well as in the comments. The summed up version is that it allows you to search for images, projects, and profiles in one search instead of having to search each of those individually. The first full new feature is destination pages. They've grouped the images and projects of popular categories, and this is found right under Universal Search. The current categories are For Beginners, Holiday Ideas, and Everything Labels. I'm guessing they're going to add more if these are used. As of November 17th, Holiday Ideas currently includes Thanksgiving, Hanukkah, and Christmas. A few things I want to point out. Holiday cards have been broken into two categories. There's the Cricut Joy cards, as well as Maker and Explorer cards. If you're interested in doing any of the Cricut Joy cards on the other machines, check out this video. Mug Designs includes designs that use the mug press and infusible ink, as well as ones that use vinyl with no need for a mug press. The For Beginners destination breaks it down into vinyl, iron-on, which is also heat transfer vinyl, paper, customizing the text on a project, and infusible ink. This section is great if you want to do a simple project to get comfortable with design space and your Cricut machine. Everyone needs to start somewhere. Jump in, mistakes happen, material can be replaced, ask for help if you need it. You are welcome to ask for help in my Facebook group, which I have also linked down below in the comments. The other destination page is Everything Labels. They have simple and decorative shapes and outlines to design your own labels, as well as having pre-designed labels for different areas around your house. Now when you go into shapes, instead of just having 10 free shapes, you now have 20 shapes free, as well as showing a large number that are included with a Cricut Access subscription, but you can also buy them a la carte. An important thing that Cricut wants to point out is that when you do purchase these a la carte, they will remain in this section, and here in the Shapes panel, they will not show that you've purchased them. You can still put them in your canvas, design away with no additional charge, but they won't show separately here that you've purchased them. You can also search for more. These are all single layer designs that you can use for a variety of different projects. This expanded shapes panel is only available on desktop at this time. If you're on Android, you can go into images, you can search for shapes, and then just filter by layers and doing single layers. For iOS, go into images, search for shapes, and then just filter by layers and doing single layers. Last new feature is the contributing artist icon. And I did check, this does work in Design Space, but I really liked that they had already blurred this out to give this person privacy. If an image is contributed by someone from the Cricut community instead of from the Cricut design team, they're now going to show underneath the artist's name. You can click on that to pull up their profile and you can see what other images they've shared, and you're able to follow that creator if you want to know when they release new content. There are a few new bug fixes as well. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and clicking the bell icon. It's free and you get notified every time I release a new video. I'm thankful for you. I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and until next time, bye.